Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission established under Law Number 65 of the year 2023 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court, and under the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning. The subject of today's hearing is Dumitru Calendari, a candidate for the position of judge on the Supreme Court of Justice. Mr. Calendari is the acting chief prosecutor at the Cahul Territorial Prosecutor's Office. Mr. Calendari, welcome. Good morning. I'm joined by 5 other commission members. To my right are Vice Chair Andre Bevel and commission members Willem Brouwer and Lillian Ansu. To my left are commission members Lavly Perling and Yuri Gatskin. The commission is also assisted by members of its secretariat. You may notice in the room also members of the media or the public. A photographer is present who will take pictures briefly just at the start of the session. The hearing is being conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask everyone to speak clearly and slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. Proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will begin by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Mr. Calendari. The Commission initiated its evaluation on the 7th of November last year by notifying Mr. Calendari by email and asking him to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 65. Mr. Calendari returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 16th of November. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspectorate of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. Over the months March through April of this year, the Commission asked Mr. Calendari to provide additional information to clarify certain matters in 2 different rounds of questions. He provided additional answers and information. On May 30th of this year, we notified Mr. Calendari that the Commission had finalized its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about his compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. We also invited him to attend today's hearing. On the 1st of June, Mr. Calendari requested access to the evaluation materials. The Secretariat provided access to him. According to Article 24, Paragraph 3 of the Commission's evaluation rules, if the Commission, based on the information it has collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided and announce that, absent the Commission's receipt of new information, it will adopt an evaluation report containing a proposal for promotion. Mr. Calendari, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you've provided to the Commission's prior requests for information?
Thank you. I have shared the information that I had, and I have answered the questions that were asked, and then that's all. Thank you.
Are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the information that was in your 5-year declaration and in the ethics questionnaire that you returned last year on November 16th, are they still accurate as of today?
Yes, I confirm that.
Thank you. Is there anything you'd like to say before we conclude today's hearing? Anything else you would like to tell the Commission?
Esteemed members of the Commission, I did my best to supply all of the documentation that I had to answer all the questions, and therefore the information that you have had the possibility to review, as I've also looked into the materials. So I have nothing else to add, no any observations to make. So thank you very much.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's hearing. Mr. Calendari, thank you for your submissions and answers to the questions. After the hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its evaluation report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a public hearing. Today's hearing is now closed. Good day, everyone.